Hello my dear students, hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to our maths class. Before starting our class, make sure that everyone is having their supplementary book, NCERT book, notebook, pen, pencil with you. So let's begin our class. As we are going to start our unit 6, the name of the unit 6 is geometry. Our first topic is congruency. So before learning this point, let us learn a term congruent. So what is congruent? Yes. What is congruent? Objects that have same shape and size are known as congruent. So the objects which are having whose size is same and shape are also same, they are known as congruent. And the relation of two objects being congruent is known as congruency. Here on the screen you are able to see pictures like two matchstick are there. They are having same shape and same size. Similarly the other is also having the same shape and same size. So these objects are known as congruent object. One more example is there. Are you able to see on the screen? Are these two objects congruent? No, they are not congruent. Why so? Because their shape and size are different and they are not completely overlapped. Even they are not overlapping each other. So we can say these two objects are not congruent because they are having different shape and size and they are not overlap each other. So that means they are not congruent. So next is, what do you mean by the congruency of line segment? As we have discussed now only, then objects which are having same shape and size, they are known as congruent. So now we are going to learn about line segments. Everyone knows line segments are having two endpoints. So congruency of line segment is all about when their lengths are equal. That means on the screen you are able to see two pictures, two figures, two line segments. First one, their length is same. Like first one is the measurement of first length is 5 centimeter CD and AB is also 5 centimeter. So both are having equal length. So that means the line segments are equal in length and they are congruent to each other. And another one, CD is given 5 centimeter and AB is given 8 centimeter. So that means their lengths are not equal. So we can say they are not congruent to each other. Similarly, when we are talking about angles, two angles are said to be congruent if their measures are equal. Like I'm giving you one example. ABC, if it is 40 degree and another XZY is also 40 degrees, so they are known as congruent. Why so? Because their measurement is same. So two lines are said to be congruent if their lengths are same and angles if their measures are equal. Next topic is congruency in triangle. So what do you mean by this? Let's go through one example. Here are you able to see three triangles ABC and XYZ. Third one is the result of the overlapping of these two triangles. So the parts of the triangles like vertices, the sides and angles also overlap or match each other completely. That means when we are keeping both the triangles over each other, they are completely overlapping each other as A falls on X, B falls on Y, C falls on Z. Similarly, sides and angles are also completely falling and completely overlapping each other. So these parts of the triangle, these parts which are completely overlapping with the part of other triangles, one triangle and another triangle, the parts of the triangle that overlap completely with the parts of other triangles, they are known as corresponding parts. I hope the corresponding parts is clear to everyone. So let's go to next one. Congruent of two triangles. So two triangles can be called congruent to each other if and only if, here the condition is, if their corresponding sides, corresponding angles and corresponding vertices are equal. Like this is a combination of the two triangles, they are completely overlapping. Hence we can say triangle ABC and triangle XYZ overlap completely. Hence the corresponding parts of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ as it is given below, and they are equal and they are completely overlapping. So one symbol is also there, downside it is written note. So this symbol we use to denote the corresponding parts. So in short, we can say two triangles can be said congruent to each other if and only if their corresponding sides, corresponding angles and corresponding vertices are equal. I hope corresponding parts are clear to everyone, like vertices, angles and triangles, they are completely overlapping each other. So this is all about our congruency of triangle. I hope everything is clear to each and every student. If still there is any problem, feel free to discuss with me. Thank you. Happy learning.